Alright, so welcome to our channel. So we are going to have a review on a crypto platform. So investment din siya. And then ngayon lang natin nalaman to, no. Itong platform na to kasi nga may papatulong sa atin kung paano kung baga magpaturo sa atin na mag-trade, and then it happened na nag-share siya ng information na nag-invest daw siya sa crypto, guys, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos ang um, senior na-hold na yung kumbaga withdrawal nila daw. So a week, almost a week na hold, so hindi na daw makapag-withdraw, so ganon. So yun, without further ado, no, so na-ask ko siya, so uh, pwede mahingi yung website, parang ganon. So i-check ko kung legit ba siya. Okay, so this is it, guys. So for today, this is the KBS. Okay, 99-KBS website. Okay.com. And as you can see, so kapag i-search natin about this page, so wala na siyang information dito. So yung ganitong information kasi as kapag ganito is, 5 months ago pa lang. So napaka ano nito, guys, critical kumbaga mag-invest ka ng malaking pera dito, wala to. Mapapatanong ka nang talaga, ano ba yung ino-offer nila? So ang ino-offer pala nila is 4 times. Okay? So nakikita ko lang sa forum. Okay, I do a quick research background ito. And then since yung kaibigan ko is nagsasabi na ganito, na hold yung withdrawal nila. So previously nakapag-withdraw, ganun talaga 'yun, nakapag-withdraw ka kasi dahil may marami pang pumapasok na investors. Okay? So it's a point of, yung kumbaga i-ano mo parang i-market mo yung product mo So magre-release talaga ng uh, kumbaga uh, pera sa mga previous or old investors para ito na yung gagamitin mo pang market sa business mo, kumbaga pitch, okay, testimonials, no. So ipipitch na yung mga naka-invest na, uy, nakapag-withdraw ako nito, so everyone is buying it, no. So yun, ganun po yan, guys. So ingat-ingat talaga pag ganito. So now i-check natin yung legitimacy, kung legit ba talaga. May iOS at saka Android din sila, oh. So talagang ginastusan talaga to, guys, no? So yan. And then we'll click about this. Okay. So yan, yan. So if you're seeing about this, meaning it's about the companies, how it work, is this a license or not, no? So as you can see, so KBSE Exchange obtains MSB license. So kapag MSB, Money Service Business Certificate issues by the U.S. Department of Treasury Financial Crimes Information Network. So yun, ito yun, yung FinCEN. So i-check natin yung FinCEN, guys. Okay. So FinCEN. Alright. Alright, then ito yung FinCEN. So, i-check natin yung legitimacy ng business ngayon. Okay? So, ito na yung may picture sila, oh. So, member certificate. So, membership certificate, okay. So, okay, bakit may 001? Okay? So, 100%. So, yan, may ano na tayo dyan, ha? Wala tayong tiwala dyan. So, this is certified that blank, is the owner of 100%, okay? So, pero bakit may 001 at 100%? Okay. So, dito, yun. Okay. So, date, apply this blank, day of blank AD. Alright. So, dyan, wala na. Dito, walang nakalagay na tao. Name of a person na pumirma, and then walang documentary stamp or seal. Okay, so patay na tayo dyan. So it's a no-no nyo dyan, guys. And then dito naman is, okay, so may paano pa sila dito? Non-profit, okay? So be careful, guys. So it's a non-profit or corporation. So kapag non-profit corporation, hindi ka pwedeng mag-accept ng investors. Okay, that's period. Okay? Non-negotiable. Okay, so you cannot accept investors. Okay, so if we open that one, so I cannot accept investment in the traditional sense of selling equities and issuing shares of a financial return. Okay, that's a big no-no. So dito pa lang wala na. Okay, now dito tayo. So 3-1, okay, MSB. So money services business. So kapag money services business, guys, it's a an authority na binigay sa iyo, pero nakadepende yan kung kasama ba yun yung investors. Pag mostly kasi mga financial ano lang yun, regulations na kung saan inaalaw yung parang credit kumbaga. Okay? So kung mga pautang, okay, parang ganun, yung collections, yung parang payment gateway, kumbaga kung alam niyo yung parang send ka ng money to other people, yung parang ganun lang. Okay? So let's see. So 3,1,000. Okay, tingnan natin 3,1,000, 2,782. Okay. 3,1,000, 2,782, 2,782, 0,6824. 0,6824. Search. Zung, zung, zung. Search again. Okay. So dito guys, KBS Exchange, okay, meron siyang makikita natin na okay. So member MSB registrant search. Okay, so yan. So dito, okay, the inclusions of a business on this MSB registrant web page is not a recommendation, certification of legitimacy. Okay? So, dyan pa lang guys, kung babasahin mo talaga, so, the inclusions of a business on this MSB registrant search web page is not a recommendation, not a recommendation, certificate of legitimacy, or endorse of the business by any government agencies. Okay? Alright. So, yan. Not a recommendation. So, certificate of legitimacy. So, hindi po siya sinasabi na certificate of legitimacy. Nagkakaroon lang siya ng membership dito. So, kung makikita mo, DBA name, wala. Okay, may address siya. Okay. So, titingnan nga natin yung address nito. Locate this address. Okay, dito yan, oh. Yan, oh. So yan, ingat-ingat talaga tayo pag ganito guys. So makikita natin, okay, meron nga. Pero name of branches, 0. Okay. Numbers of branches, numbers of branches, 0. So yun, MSB activities, dito na guys. Okay. So check cashiers including travelers and money orders, dealer of foreign exchange. Okay, issues of money orders, issuer of travel checks and checks and money transmitter, seller of money orders, seller of prepaid access, seller of travelers. Okay, so yan, dealer of foreign exchange. So kung sinasabi natin dealer, okay, of foreign exchange, So what does it mean? Okay. Okay. So dealer of foreign exchange. Okay. So market includes major financial institutions, central banks, large corporations, retail brokers, and operating within a global over-the-counter network. But the problem here, okay, so the problem here is ang nakaregistered dito is, okay, so nakaregister dito, okay, balik tayo dito, is a non-profit corporation. Okay, non-profit corporation. So, wag natin kalimutan yan. Kahit may membership pa siya, pero it's a non-profit corporation. And now, let's proceed with this one, certificate of incumbency. Okay? Incumbency. Now, wala siyang Quicker Business Solutions Incorporated. Okay? Register agent. So, walang information dito, guys. So, dyan pa lang wala na. Ingat-ingat ka na talaga. So, kapag magpapalabas ka na may pera dito. Okay? So, kahit may app pa yan, okay, wala ka talagang hawak dyan, guys. No? So, wala silang AMLA. Okay? Okay? Yung sa ALC, no? Anti money laundering. So yung sa Anti Money Laundering Council. So diyan pa lang, guys. Dekado ka na diyan, guys. So wala talaga to. So it's not a legit, guys. And then dito, okay, so based on the comments from this Reddit, no? So wala na. You know, pure scam. It's a scam. I cannot trade because I haven't recruit. So I withdraw all my money. Okay. So na-withdraw ba how many months before the close of the account? 5 months since hindi na ako mag-trade. Disable nila yung trade ko. Okay. So after 5 months, they will require you to recruit. If not, disable account. Okay. So disable your trading options but your wallet funds were safe, right? Wala na. Comment remove. Wala. Did you lose your deposit? It's a scam. Okay. So new victims, please read. So as a rule of thumbs, if you have downting whatever inside scam, it's probably yes. Okay? Yun. Patunay. Wala na, guys. So it's a scam, guys. So kaya pala naka-hold na ngayon yung 1 week na daw na hindi nakapag-withdraw. Okay? So yun, guys, no? Ingat-ingat talaga kayo, guys. So check the website before you go into trading, especially on cryptocurrency. So ingat-ingat. All right? So hopefully this will provide you all learnings, no, so regarding the issue that you encounter right now with regards to your investment, if ever you invested this kind of platform. And also please know this, tips and mga red flag regarding sa mga ganitong investment platform. So this is a red flag of investment fraud checklist. Okay, so unlicensed investment professionals, yan, aggressive sellers who may provide exaggerated and false credentials, offer that sounds too good to be true, risk-free investment opportunities and promise to create wealth and guarantees returns. So everyone is buying it. So pitch. Okay, so ingat-ingat sa pag-market ng mga guys, kasi kapag someone na kumikita, of course ipagsasabi niya yan na kasi kikita din siya sa invites niya. Okay? So mayroon din akong napasukan nito before last year and wala talaga, hindi na kukuha yung pera. Okay? Biglang nag freeze. Okay, so on top of over the top, so sensational pitch that may have fake and testimonials. So unsolicited pitch seeking to obtain your personal information is asked to pay investment by credit card, give wiring money abroad or personal account. So yan, ingat-ingat kayo pag lumabas to sa checklist yung mga website na inindesan nyo, delikado kayo dyan. So ingat lagi, guys. God bless and hope you have a learning. throughout this video. Thank you and have a great day, guys. Bye for now. Peace.